Hey guys, we have another unboxing video today. We have a Nest Protect second generation smoke carbon monoxide detector. I read about this on Amazon, and a lot of people say it's a second generation really good. It fixes all that bugs that it has on the first generation. So I bought one, and I just got them today, and I'm excited to open this up. So let's go ahead and open this up. The nice thing about Nest products is I used to own a drop cam, and the box, when from the packaging already, you can tell it's a good product. They well taken care of their packaging, so that means the company is truly into making good products for the customers, not just to make something just to sell, make money off, but make a good product. So finally, okay, so let's go ahead and take this apart. Okay, it's not coming out. Let's see what we got here. Oops, I forgot to cut that tape right there. It should come out now. Come on. Alright. Okay, so on top we got some user manual stuff here. It's probably inside here. I'm gonna leave that aside for now. Take a look at that Nest. We talk about that later. Right now we have some brochure, welcome brochure, basically telling you what this thing can do or cannot do. I could care less. That's all I need. Just to detect my damn smoke and carbon monoxide. That's all I need. So I'm gonna put this away. Some more flyers. And we have some user manual, user guide. Okay. Well, let's see what we got inside here. Okay. It's a big manual for small products like this. So, but I was told it's quick installation, so it's probably easy to install this thing. All right, we got some warning labels, another warning labels, and we got two more in different language. So it's probably Spanish. Okay, let's go ahead and dig into the main thing here. Take this out. Let's open the battery compartment. Wow, look at that, 6 lithium energizer battery. I can tell right now this thing gonna last forever. Lithium battery lasts longer, but from energizer, this should be last for a while, so you don't have to worry about battery wise. All right, we got the plastic plate here that you're supposed to install in the ceilings, and then you just turn your Nest detector so it can clip on to it. We got some more 4 screws. Okay, we're not going to worry about that until we install that. That's it, there's nothing more inside. Alright, let's see what this thing does. Let's pull that battery tab out. Let's pull that, see what it does. Look at that, it's greet you already. It's telling you what to do.
Hi from Nest. Hola, saludos de Nest. Press the button now for English. Ready. Press to test. This is only a test. The alarm will sound. The alarm is loud. The test starts in 10 seconds. Press to cancel. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is only a test. Testing smoke. Testing carbon monoxide. The test is finished. Everything looks good.
I have to say, the look and feel of this smoke detector is really nice. It's well designed. Can't wait to put in my ceiling. Impress my friend when they come over. Okay guys, that's basically it. Unboxing a second generation Nest smoke detectors. Just make sure you hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. Let me know what you think about my videos. That will help me a lot to make better videos in the future. Alright, thanks again.